Hello friends, welcome to my channel Stunning Stargaze. I am here with a new video for you. This video contains some important questions from general knowledge and current affairs. All these questions are very important for the coming UPSC and other competitive examinations. Watching this video will definitely help you, and if you think so, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I am going to the questions. Question number 1. Which union ministry launched the Jan Andolan campaign on COVID-19? Answer is Ministry of Ayush. Next one. Who has won the Nobel Peace Prize 2020? Answer is World Food Program. Next one. The phenomenon of low temperature treatment to induce early flowering in plants is called. The answer is vernalization. Next one. Who won the men's singles title in French Open 2020? Answer is Rafael Nadal. Next one. Which country has become the first nation to get blue flag certification for 8 beaches in the very first attempt? Our answer is India. Next one. In which name the famous political thinker Narendranath Bhattacharya more famous? Answer is M.N. Roy. Next one. What is the name of the anti-radiation missile that was successfully test fired by DRDO on October 2020? Answer is Rudram 1. Next one. Where is the headquarters of the World Cultural Council? Answer is Mexico City. Next one. Which disease has often been called the old man's front? Answer is pneumonia. Next one. Which part of the constitution deals with the Grama Panchayats? Answer is part 9. Next one. With which game is the famous Alvine International Trophy associated? Answer is volleyball. Next one. In which states the recently built adult tunnel, the longest highway tunnel about 10,000 feet in the world, is constructed? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next one. Which country's military is known as the Hellenic Army? Answer is Greece. Next one. On which date the adult tunnel was opened? Answer is 3rd October 2020. Next one. The term cashiering is associated with which field? Answer is military. Next one. Which gas is used in the ice plants? Answer is ammonia. Next one. Who built Siri Fort in Delhi? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Next one. Which element inhibits Hashimoto's disease which affects thyroid cells? Answer is selenium. Next one. The condition in which body is deprived of adequate oxygen supply is called? Answer is hypoxia. Next one. Which was the first Indian bank to open a branch in London? Answer is Bank of India. Bank of India. Next one. Who was the Parsi nominee of Indian Constitutional Assembly? Answer is H.P. Modi. Next one. In which state the first Kisan Rail in South India was launched? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next one. Which French company is the manufacturer of Rafale fighter aircraft? Answer is Dassault. Answer is Dassault Aviation. Which state ranked first in the All India Happiness Report published for the first time? Answer is Mizoram. Next one. Which mountain is known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean? Answer is Stromboli. Next one. Which is the capital city of Armenia? Answer is Yerevan. Next one. Who developed the Pascal language? Answer is Nicholas Wirth. Next one. Where is Swami Vivekanandan International Airport located? Answer is Raipur. Next one. What is the chemical name of salt cake? Answer is sodium sulfate. Next one. What is the first state in India where DPP introduced? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next one. Into which sea river Volga flows? Answer is Caspian Sea. Next one. Who founded the Social Service League in 1911? Answer is N.M. Joshi. Next one. Bhanu Adaya had won India's first Oscar in costume design for her work in which classic film? Answer is Gandhi. Next one. Who discovered dry cell? Answer is George Leclanche. Next one. Which constitutional body is situated in the Dholpur House, New Delhi? Answer is UPSC. Next one. Who is known as the father of Indian Army? Answer is Stringer Lawrence. Next one. Who was the Defense Minister of India during the First Indo-Pak War 1947-48? Answer is Baldev Singh. Next one. Where is the headquarters of Eastern Command of Indian Air Force? Answer is Shillong. Next one. Service and loyalty is the motto of which Indian paramilitary force? Answer is CRPF. Next one. Niti Aayog was set up on? Answer is 1st January 2015. Next one. Which institute has developed non-invasive bandage to treat skin cancer? Answer is IISc Bengaluru. Next one. Which part of our body secretes the brain natriuretic peptide or BNP? The answer is ventricles of heart. Next one. Who founded Amnesty International in 1961? At least the answer is Peter Benenson. Next one. Who authored the book titled Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction? The answer is Arundhati Roy. Next one. Which is the informal strategic forum between USA, Japan, Australia and India founded in November 2017? Answer is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or Quad. Next one. Where is the capital of Azerbaijan situated? Answer is Baku. Next one. India's first cyber cafe was established in which city in 1996? Answer is Mumbai. Next one. Who won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2020? Answer is Roger Penrose of UK, Reinhard Genzel of Germany and Andrea M. Ghez of USA. Next one. Next one. Who won the Nobel Prize for Medicine or Physiology in 2020? The answer is Harvey J. Alter of USA, Michael Houghton of Canada and Charles M. Rice of USA. Next one. Who wrote the book The Discomfort of Evening? Answer is Marieke Lucas Reinwald. And the last question. Which Indian city is selected to host the Global Healthcare Summit 2020? The answer is Visakhapatnam. Hello, thank you for watching my video. This video will definitely help you to score maximum marks and wish you all the best.